Okay, this video is just a follow-up to the video that I gave before on the same exact example, but this time I wanted to show you how I could do it on the calculator because some people had inquired about using the calculator to do such a problem. So keeping in mind that the formula is going to be top curve minus bottom curve, and that in this problem the top curve and bottom curve switch positions, we have to be really careful as to which curve is on top and which curve is on the bottom. So what I'm going to do when I do this on the calculator is I'm going to refer to f of x as y sub 1, and I'm going to refer to g of x as y sub 2. And I'm going to go ahead over here to the graph and label each graph accordingly. So here we have y1 on top of y2, but over here it's y2 on top of y1. So as I set up my solution, the area is going to be found by two separate definite integrals. The area of region 1 is going to be the definite integral from -2 to 0 of y1 minus y sub 2. And I'm going to add on to that the area of region 2, which is going to be another definite integral, this time from 0 to 2, of the top minus bottom, which is now y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Using this notation is perfect for the calculator because, as you know, the calculator uses the same y sub 1, y sub 2. So let me call up the calculator and I'll show you how to do this, and we'll come up with the final answer. Okay, I've pulled up the calculator, I've turned it on, I'm going to go to the y equals screen, and y1 I'm going to make 3x cubed minus x squared minus 10x, and then y2 is going to be negative x squared plus 2x. I'll do a zoom 6 graph just to see if that's about what we did when we did it by hand. And that's looking pretty good. And now I'm going to go to the calculation screen, which is second quit, and the integration function, which is going to be math 9. Now, first I want to integrate from -2 to 0 of y sub 1 minus y sub 2 with respect to x. But then I want to add on to that math 9 again, another integral, this time from 0 to 2, and it's going to be y sub 2 minus y sub 1. There's y sub 2 minus y sub 1, also with respect to x. And when I press enter, I'm going to get this combined sum, this total region. And I'm getting an answer of 24.